case, what's it over there? Italy or something like that. They keep writing, look, they keep writing. Mira, está escribiendo allá arriba, ¿viste? Italy. ¿Cómo ellos hacen esa mierda, brother? Oh, that's crazy, man. Only in Philadelphia it can happen, man. How the heck they can write that perfectly? I would like to see what the hell is doing that shit. Oh, there they go. That's not freaking looking even like airplane, man. They're round. They're not making no noise at all. Guys, I think we're looking at a few spaceships. Over there, the one that was breaking those letters, they don't hear no noise. No, they're making it right now over there. What do you mean they use one in school? Like those letters? Oh, you see, it lasts only a few seconds. The same thing all over again. It's over there. That's so freaking cool. There you go, guys. A crazy video of whatever that is, of airplanes, because there's people who don't believe not even in Jesus. So. Yeah, well, I don't see that world, so I'm a little blind. That's a letter E. How the hell they can do that? Yeah, I don't hear no noise, man. That's cool. There you go, guys.